In this video, you're going to see just how easy it is to go live on StreamYard. Let's get you tech equipped. Welcome back to Tech Equip, where we give you tips and tools on videography and video equipment that we use for my wife's travel agent channel, youtube.com/gingermmt. And lately we've been using StreamYard quite a bit. And the purpose of this video is to just show you how easy it is to go live on StreamYard. So let's get right into it. So once you've logged into StreamYard, we'll click on Create a Broadcast, and you'll notice there are 5 options for us. We do have Ginger's Facebook and YouTube accounts both linked to our StreamYard account. We also have the Tech Equip Facebook and YouTube accounts linked to the StreamYard account. You'll also notice over here it says skip and record only. That is only available if you are using a paid version. If you're using the free version, you can't do that. For the sake of this particular demonstration, all we're going to do is stream just to Facebook. We could, if we wanted to, stream to the Tech Equip Facebook and YouTube pages, because that's one of the benefits of StreamYard. You can stream to multiple platforms at the same time. But for the sake of this, we're just going to stream to Facebook, and we'll title it How to Go Live on StreamYard Demonstration. And for the description, we'll say recording a tutorial video for StreamYard. And we'll do create broadcast. Now, I am not live on Facebook yet. All I'm doing is just creating the broadcast to go live on Facebook. Okay? And so now it's picked up my microphone and my camera. It has picked up the ones that I wanted it to pick up. Okay. If I wanted to change because right now you'll notice I'm not using the webcam that's on my laptop. I'm using an external camera. Well, so if I wanted to change that, and if I wanted to change the display name, I could. It would alter it right here. For the sake of this, I'm just going to do Evan. But if I wanted to change my camera, I could click on camera, and you'll notice right now I have it set to EOS webcam utility. That's because we're using a Canon M50, and we've connected it using a micro USB to USB cable to our laptop. We did try using a video capture device, and it just didn't work as well at trying to do it that way as it does whenever I use the EOS webcam utility. So it's way better. You can download that. We'll put a link to Canon's website where you can download that for a Canon M50. It is fantastic. I strongly recommend that over using a video capture device for the Canon M50. Basically, it turns your Canon M50 into a webcam. It's basically what it does. Okay? So everything is the way I want it to be. And so we're going to enter the broadcast studio. Once again, I'm still not live on Facebook. First, I have to add myself to the stream. So now I'm added to the stream. Okay. Then at this point, I am ready to go live. I'm ready. Okay. So all I have to do is click go live, and it's going to make sure that I really want to go live. And so I click go live. And now we are live on Facebook. And so if you're seeing this on Facebook, what we're doing right now is we're recording a StreamYard tutorial on how to go live on Facebook, or how to go live using StreamYard. And so what's really neat is, you can't see this if you're watching on Facebook, but if you watch the YouTube video that'll be posted very soon, you'll be able to see this then. But I can click over here on comments, and it'll show me the comments right here in this column of people who are commenting on the video. And so that's the beauty of StreamYard, how easy and simple it is to go live on Facebook or Twitch or Periscope or YouTube or whatever. So that's all there is to it, to go live on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value out of it, if you could hit the like button, we'd really appreciate it. And we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. And we look forward to seeing you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, be sure to click the button right there to subscribe and check out our next video right down there. And hey, check us out on youtube.com/gingermmt. My wife is a free travel agent. When you book through her services are totally free to you. So be sure to check that out too. We look forward to seeing you soon.